Hello everyone, welcome to my iPhone Spot YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Touch ID for app purchase on iPhone in iOS 14. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For that, open the Settings app on your iPhone. After opening the Settings app, swipe down to see Touch ID and Passcode and tap on it. Now enter your passcode. Then turn on iTunes and App Store under the Touch ID and Passcode. Then enter your Apple ID password. Tap OK. Now go back to App Store and search your favorite apps. So guys, as you can see, my iPhone is asking Touch ID for verification. That's it. So guys, like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my iPhone Sport YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.